Hey guys, today I'll be sharing with y'all 3 super easy nail arts. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already to be part of Queen Ash fam. Now without further ado, let's start painting. So all you need is top coat and base coat, black nail polish, nude color nail polish, and you will need is diamond studs. These diamond studs that you can get from your craft store, and yeah. So I already started with the base, and now I'm going to be applying black nail polish, literally half of my nail on the tip, just like you would do a French nail, but you gotta do this a thicker way. And I'm going to be doing from the nail polish brush, just scooping this like so. And it's super easy because the nail polish brush will literally fit through your nail, and it's going to make this simple and super easy line. And when it's dry, I'm gonna finish it off with the diamond and gonna apply top coat, and it's done.
It's not for me to
So for this nail art, all you will need is top coat and base coat, a shimmer nail polish, gold shimmer nail polish, and dotting tool. You can use toothpick or bobby pin as you wish. So I already started with the base coat and it's completely dry, and now I'm dipping a larger dotting tool into gold nail polish, and I'm going to be doing some random dots around the nails, and I'm going to be doing the same thing with the smalling dotting tool.
It's not for me to say you love.
And now when it's completely dry, finish it off with the top coat and it's done. So all you need for this nail art is silver nail polish, black nail polish, top coat and base coat, and a dotting tool. I already did the base, so I'm going to be starting with the dotting tool, dipping into silver nail polish and just going to be making some dot in sleek way. So just make 4 dots in the middle and 3 on the sides, just like that. And also I applied silver nail polish on my ring finger for accent nail, and the rest of the nails will be the same pattern as well.
It's not for me to say you love.
And again, when your nail is dry, finish it off with the top coat and you're done. for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, to join the Queen Ash family, and don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up, and don't forget to follow me on my all social platforms. The links will be down below. It's all Aisha Style. Thanks for watching.